reason why I don't make japchae often at home is because the vegetables have to be sauteed individually, and honestly, I'm too lazy for that. So this is my shortcut version that still tastes just as delicious.
First, combine dried glass noodles with water.
And soak the noodles for about 20 to 30 minutes. And in terms of which glass noodles to buy, honestly, I just think they all taste the same. So whichever is the least amount on the shelf is my go-to.
Next, slice some vegetables. I'm using different colored bell peppers, onion, and shiitake mushrooms, which gives a deeper flavor to the dish.
And if you're using beef or pork or both, slice them as well.
After soaking, cook the glass noodles in a boiling pot of water for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then drain and rinse the noodles in cold water for about a minute. To prevent the noodles from sticking, drizzle sesame oil and mix well. Dry the pot and drizzle on cooking oil and saute onions until slightly translucent.
But if you're using meat, cook the meat first before adding the onions, and then incorporate the meat with the rest of the vegetables.
Next, add minced garlic and saute for about 30 seconds and add bell peppers, carrots, and mushrooms and saute. Cover the pot with a lid to help steam, then add spinach and mix everything together. Turn off the stove and add the glass noodles and season it with soy sauce. I like to use Tamari, oyster sauce, and sugar. Add cracked black pepper and roasted sesame seeds. Mix everything together until well combined.
So this is a good time to taste the noodles just to see if it's to your liking. And if you need a little bit more of something, just add a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more soy sauce. It's good. And that's it. I like to eat japchae over rice, but honestly, you can just eat it however you like. Let's dig in. So excited because I'm so hungry. It's so good. It's super savory, slightly sweet, and the fact that there are vegetables in here and I don't like to eat vegetables, yeah, this is so good. The only reason why I don't make japchae often at home is because the